Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This is Thriss. This is the April release of my subscription box. Just gonna do a real quick video here. This is my birthday month, so I am doing kind of a bigger luxe box than what I would normally do. In the form of the Hanks are the sparkle bases this month. And then the Notion is very nice. So I am going to show you guys that now. So look away. I will try not to give any verbal indicators of what this is. Okay, so this is it. Oops. So this is it hanked up. And this is it open. I think the theme is rather obvious. And then this is the Notion. You're going to get one of these two. They are wood with gold metal accents. And you will also be getting one of these. It does fit the large ones in there. That is a large one. So, I was nervous about doing it this way because this isn't something I'm adept at. I didn't think I was worried about it, and I ended up loving it. Okay, you guys can look. Being that it is sparkle bases, I need to stop messing with it. I'm going to accidentally put it on camera. Being that it is sparkle bases, I only have fingering, sock, and I only have like the sock fingering, and then that other stuff, DK, because for whatever just makes no sense reason to me, I have yet to find a company that has a worsted sparkle base. I have pitched it to every company that I've come to of doing gold and silver sparkle on worsted and doing the gold on DK. So I don't know why they don't do it. It really blows my mind. But anyway, so it is officially open. It closes on the 8th. I'm going to ideally like to keep it at closing till the 8th. That way I can get them out. They went out late last month because I kept it open an extra week. Obviously, if you need more time, just email me. We'll work it out. But it is $45 for 2 Hanks and the Notions. Yes, I said plural. And shipping is included in that. And it is $25 for 1 and the Notions. There is PayPal, Zelle, and Cashapp. It will all be in the description box below. Please read it and get your information through there. And then please make sure that in your note of your Cashapp, PayPal, or Zelle that you leave your name, your address, and your weight that you would prefer. Please don't assume that I know it or because you could change it. It just really helps me in getting them sent out in a timely way to have all that information right there and not have to go hunting for it. You can send me an email if you would like, but I see them come through, so I don't really need it. So long as your name, like Jane Smith, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Mockingbird Lane, I don't know, whatever address, and 2 DK. If you put all that in the notes, that's all that I need, and we're golden. But please just make sure that I have that information so I don't have to hunt that down. So it is open now. I hope you guys like it. And did I forget anything?
Sounds good to me.
I think I didn't forget anything. My brain is sleepy, so I might have forgotten something. But all the information will be in the description box. So check it out, and I will be seeing you guys soon, I hope. The next several videos are going to be pre-recorded ones because I am kind of down for the count right now. I am going to have my live tomorrow, no matter what, even if it's done by Andrew. The live is happening tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern time. It's going down for real. And then, oh, I got the boxes to make up 10 mystery boxes that will be for sale. So I'm going to make those first, and then I will release it and let you guys know. But I want to have them made up and taped up and everything like that before they're ordered, because it's just going to be picked at random. So, there is that. All right. I love you guys. Much, much love. I hope you guys have a good weekend. This will go up right before Dee's live probably, so I will see you guys in the comments of Dee's live, and I love you so much. Toodles.